Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Couple Thinks They Have More Power Than the Police."
He is a black man in southern Florida, and we are in a truck, and I am a Hispanic female. Do you not understand that? No, do you not understand?
Do you want to have a cordial conversation with me? That's
Absolutely.
fine. Okay?
All right, I can have a cordial conversation.
Do you understand what's going on here?
I absolutely do. I'm in the car. I've been recording the whole time.
While patrolling the streets, officers spotted something that instantly raised a red flag, a vehicle cruising by with a tag that hadn't been valid since 2022. Curious, they decided to make a stop. Here's what happened when officers approached the vehicle.
This is fine. This is fine right here.
Actually, it's not. It's not safe.
That's why my car's behind.
I know, but you're actually not parked correctly either.
Do you have your license and registration?
I do. And why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag's expired.
My tag's expired?
Yep. License
did
and
you know that?
registration. License and registration.
Why did you run my tag?
Are you refusing to give me your license and registration?
Ooh, I love me a nice female officer, boy. She gonna get them together, boy. Look, you can look at her reflection at top. She ain't got time for the bullshit, man. Man, listen. This one, we gonna make this short, fast, and in a hurry, man. You better get your shit together, boy.
Why did you run my... Yeah. Why did you record? Why did you...
Because I'm patrolling the area.
But why did you run my tag?
Because I'm patrolling the area. I need your license and registration.
Officer.
I need your license and registration. Then give it to me.
What time? Why did you... Is there a reason for why you ran my tag?
I don't need permission to run your tag. I'm conducting patrol. License and registration, proof of insurance.
Okay.
She been trained well, boy. I wonder if she Latina.
You still live here?
And I would like the reason for why you ran it again.
I was patrolling the area.
So why would you just run it? You just randomly just run tags?
Yep.
You're allowed to do that?
Yes.
Okay. What's the penal code for that?
You can look it up yourself.
No, you're the officer. You can tell me.
Doesn't matter. We don't need to answer your question.
Yes, you do.
I need your registration
If
and
you
proof
think
of
that, keep that.
insurance.
Yes, you do.
Uh-oh, back up there. I hear him.
Proof of insurance.
You're a public servant.
Can I have the
Remember that.
registration?
Let me guess, he ain't got the registration.
And I would like your, can I get your business card as well?
As soon as I'm done.
Not a problem. You can have an attitude when you...
Okay, can I have the registration?
Yes, when you get it. Officer, what's your name?
I'm sorry?
What's your name?
My name is Officer Lemmerman.
And what's your ID?
My ID number is 19397.
Get out. Get out the car.
This is a tag.
You lower your rear window just a little bit?
No, I may not. This is for tags. What are we...
You lower this back window for
No, I may not. What am I lowering my windows for?
I need to test your tent right here.
It's a factory tent.
Okay.
Tacoma.
We believe
Tacoma.
it's darker than the legal limit.
This is factory tents.
Okay.
This is factory
We don't
tents.
know that.
I'm telling you, and I'm telling you, he's reaching for any and anything to try to get me out of this car. And it's for
If I
no
walked
reason.
out of the car, you would have been out of the
I'm
car.
telling you, how would I be out of the car? For what reason? What law did I commit? What
Because
law
I can
did I
ask you to
break?
step out of the vehicle.
But for what reason?
Did I ask
What
that?
probable cause? What crime did I commit? Did I commit a crime?
I
No, I'm not.
Do me a favor?
Please do not. Ma, listen. Why are you out of the car? No. Keep recording.
Step out of the car.
Why am I stepping out?
You are extremely nervous.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I am not.
Don't resist.
Officer.
Come on.
Do not kill me.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car. Hey, stop grabbing her neck.
Relax, officer.
Stop.
Please,
No, it's okay.
Put your arms behind your back.
Tell him to stop resisting.
No.
Stop resisting.
Keep recording.
Stop resisting.
Keep recording. I'm fine.
Please.
Ma'am, relax. Oh my God, relax. We're recording, it's fine.
It's not fine. You just took my husband.
Okay.
My 64-year-old mother's on the phone, and we have a sergeant that lives in Kissimmee.
Relax.
This is ridiculous.
It is not.
It is.
It is not.
It
He's
is.
being ridiculous.
No, he is a black man in southern Florida. And
Man, shut that shit up, man. We ain't trying to hear that shit. He is a black man in southern Florida. Man, shut that shit up. We don't want to hear that shit, man. Quiet. Quiet. Calmate. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to hear that. You got expired tags. They approach you. You want to lollygag. You don't want to give the information. You don't want to give your info, whatever you taking all day. You want to ask all these questions as if you in charge. Man, oh, can you roll down the window? We want to check the tent. Oh, I'm not doing that. Y'all trying to do everything to get me out of the car. He said, man, if I wanted you out of the car, you would be out the car. All I gotta do is ask you. Facts. When he said that, I said, oh yeah, I like that officer, boy. Whatever police station this is, I'm fucking with them. They training her right. She got the straight attitude, straight. You know, some people may think that she has an attitude, but she doesn't. The first officer, she don't got an attitude. She's just straightforward, blunt, ain't got no laughy, jokey, whatever. Boom, she just asking you, this is business. You know what I'm saying? Don't take it personal. It's just business. I need this, this, and this. Boom. Question. Ain't simple. Shut that shit up. You're a black man in South Florida. Shut up. Shut up. We don't want to hear it. Act right.
we're in a truck, and I am a Hispanic female. Do you not understand that? No, do you not understand?
Do you want to have a cordial
Okay.
conversation with me? That's fine.
Absolutely.
Are all you guys recording?
Yes,
Is that
all our
camera
body
on?
cams are on the whole time.
Oh,
All right. Do you have anything on you?
nothing on me. And no, you may not. This is illegal. I am not consenting to any searches. I'm not consenting to any searches.
Wait, widen your stance. Widen your stance, please, farther.
I am not consenting to any.
Can you widen your stance, sir?
They are widened.
No, I need them wider, please. Are you refusing to comply?
And she cute.
They're not answering any questions. Now you guys are just taking this.
He's got pockets over here. You just want to search them, or are you patting them down?
I pat him down.
This is illegal. I am not consenting to any.
All right, step up and have a seat. Step up and have a seat. Watch yourself.
Wait a minute. Okay?
All right, I can have a cordial conversation.
Do you understand what's going on here?
I absolutely do. I'm in the car. I've been recording the whole time. We are on our way to Fresh Market to get bacon. We needed to get all the way over. We came behind you guys. This officer in the truck.
Hey, Renzo, make sure you search him real good. Is this what you guys are worried about? Weed? There's weed everywhere here.
No, there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing in this truck. There's absolutely nothing. We're worried
like
because
fresh cannabis here. Like weed all.
there's nothing in this truck. There's absolutely nothing.
Okay, well, we're gonna check it anyways.
You don't have a warrant to check this truck.
Oh my God.
You absolutely don't, but there's nothing.
Look, all over here.
There's nothing.
There's shake all over
There's
here.
nothing to check in this truck.
All right, now it's your turn.
Yep,
Go ahead
step
and step
out.
out of the car. That's
Get her
the-
together. Don't act funny. Get you together too, boy. Okay, okay.
Do you have anything on you?
Don't make no funny movements. She ain't playing with you.
Yes, we did it. It's all on camera. We all have and we're also handcuffing it because it's a drug investigation. That's how this is.
Have a seat right here.
I'm sure you can.
Just get a little farther away from the
You're very sarcastic for no reason.
shake all over here.
Extremely argumentative right from the beginning. You ran him, right?
Yeah.
Anything come back?
His DL's good, everything's good?
Well, we just gonna search to make sure. Facts.
6%. So write him a ticket for that as well.
You wasted your time, man. You wasted your time. You played yourself. It's not worth it. And my aunt, who's a retired lieutenant, Fields, is gonna hear about this, and we're gonna pull up to this.
Don't care.
Or is this for you? Did you find anything? Did you find your cocaine, your marijuana bust? What did you find?
Lieutenant
Did you find any guns?
Fields.
Any heroin?
And we're gonna pull up to this.
Or is this for your amusement?
Well, we just gonna make sure.
Registration or whatever you said, a tag. A tag, whatever you pull this over for.
Your tag's expired?
Whatever you pull this over for. All of this for what? And you turn it into a drug investigation? Are you serious? Are you serious?
Where's your, we're gonna need everyone's cards. We're gonna, okay. Arrest warrant for what?
Did not say that.
You said arrest warrant?
That's not what I said.
Oh, what did you say?
I said arrest report.
There you go. Exactly. There you go. You know what I mean?
Let me know if you find anything. Let me know if you find anything. Like, this is crazy.
Because when we pull out
The lawsuit that you guys are gonna have. And we know Val Demings.
Oh my God. No. You're just being a smart ass for no reason. You're being sarcastic. You're throwing my stuff on the ground. You took my wife's phone for no reason. You turn it off. And if anything's deleted, nothing in our phone should be deleted.
Check it. Make sure it's not a block of heroin. So awful. So awful. What is about to happen to my husband?
When she takes the handcuff off you, put your hand on the back of your head. Okay?
Which hand?
The one she takes out of the handcuffs. It's a simple direction.
I thought you said both hands at the
Nope, I
same
said when she
time.
takes a hand out of a handcuff, put it on the back of your
Okay,
head.
I hear you.
One at a time.
I hear you. Fucking freezing. Fucking freezing.
I'll take care of it. Do you want his phone?
Relax.
I'm not relaxed.
You're good. Just let your hands down. You can.
I'm very much not relaxed. When it's about to happen to my husband.
Oh God, here she go.
Resisting an officer. Battery on a law enforcement officer. Yeah, he grabbed me.
Battery.
Grabbed me. If I grabbed you right now, is that not a crime?
Battery.
Is that not a crime? If I grab you right now,
Are you
yes,
serious?
battery on a law enforcement officer, that is a felony.
Battery. That's
What I said. Yes, that's what I said.
You really feel threatened by us. Okay, after everything, right? Yes, you found some little weed on the floor, whatever said you found. After all of this, at this moment, do you think we're trying to really hurt you guys?
Of course not.
Okay, so
Here's the thing. The time and the place for everything. Oh, okay. That's all my bear. Anyway, the thing that got you in this predicament is your ass talk too much. Just provide the information, get your little ticket, be on your way. But instead, you want to start talking back, doing this, doing that, think you know the law, this, that, you know this person, you know that person, guaranteed a lawsuit, taking all day just to give over the information. Like, that's what got you in this trouble, because the cops have the leverage, okay? They can always find something to get you in trouble for. That's what people really don't understand. They could always find something. You know what I'm saying? To write a ticket for, or do anything. You know what I'm saying? That's why you just got to play it cool. Even to this point, he's like, put your hands on top of your head. Boom, she put her hands on top of the head. Then he's like, hey, all right, you're good. You can relax now. No, well, I'm not relaxed. And no, what's going on with my husband? And after all this time, you just don't get it. You just don't get it. And this is why some people just talk themselves into jail. Honestly.
this moment, no, you're not trying to hurt me.
Okay, you're being literal
Is this
right
your
now.
phone?
I'm talking about, yes, it is.
Okay.
You're being very literal right now. I'm talking about the entire situation.
I don't know
the entire situation.
How
okay,
long have you known me?
The outcome, right?
I've been here 20 minutes.
Please let me talk.
Okay, I don't know your intentions.
Please let me talk. Please let me talk. The outcome.
Are you guys done with her? Okay. We are done with you. You are free to leave.
No.
If you want an explanation
I
on
want to
anything,
know where you're
I will
taking
explain
this
it to you
man,
over
and I
there.
want to know where my phone and everything is.
She just put your phone back over there.
Please
if
tell
you
me
want an
where
explanation on anything, I will explain it to you over there. You are free to leave.
Where are you taking him?
33rd Street.
Where is that?
CYP and 33rd Street, the Orange County Jail.
Why are you taking my husband
We
to
just explained that to
jail?
you.
This is ridiculous. The outcome of this situation is not battery. That's what I'm trying to say.
All right, let's go over there, man.
Okay, boys, we good here. Let's go. Let's wrap it up. Time to go. Now, come on. Is the battery charge a little bit extra? It is. But if he technically did grab him, because he didn't just come out of the car peacefully. So I don't know. I have to look back at it. But if he did grab him and stuff, then technically, yes, they could take him for that. You know? But all right, boys, let's go. Let's wrap it up. Let's get on going.
This situation is not battery. We're not trying to harm you all. He is not trying to harm anybody. He's not trying to harm anybody. You guys are trying to harm us.
All right, you're free to go, ma'am. You're free to go, ma'am. Bye-bye.
He was ultimately arrested and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer and 2 counts of resisting with violence. Despite the intensity of the stop, officers didn't find any drugs in the vehicle. So we have to ask, do you think the officers were reaching? Drop your thoughts in the...
Could they have been? Yeah, you know, like I said, you know, could they have reached? Yeah, but they can always find something to get you for. You know what I'm saying? That's why none of this would have escalated like that. License, registration, proof of insurance, please. Boom, boom. You hand that in. You go back, write the ticket, whatever, send you on your way. That's as simple as the stop should be. But nope. You want to sit around, question the officer, ask them 1,000 questions, not roll down your window to check the tents. This take all day to hand over your information. You know, oh, they trying to find something to get me out of the car. No, I'm just, man, he said, if I wanted you out of the car, you would be out of the car. Facts. When he said that, that was cold. That was cold. I said, oh yeah, these officers here, I like they style, boy. Orlando, I like they style, man. That was good. Oh man, I loved it. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm giving 5 out of 5, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.